Let's look at how to create a combo chart in Excel. We've got some data on the screen here that shows the USA and Canada box office totals in millions for each of the last several years, as well as the average ticket price in US dollars. If we wanted to graph these two pieces of data together to see their relationship, it can be a bit difficult if you just go with the default graph. So let's click into our data here and go Insert, and let's do a line graph. And you can see that the default graph that popped up here was this that doesn't really help. Because the scale on both of our data sets is so different, this orange graph right here really doesn't tell us anything. So to make this a little easier to read, we need to create a combo chart. With the chart selected, click Change Chart Type, and at the very bottom here, select Combo. This will list both the series names that we have, the box office total as well as the average ticket, and then we can choose what kind of chart we want for each data set. The key here is this secondary axis column. We can pick which one of the data series we want to have on a secondary axis. If we click this for the average ticket price, we see a little preview of what the chart will look like. As I said, we can change what chart type. If we wanted both lines, we could do that. We'll keep it at a column and a line chart and click OK. So what this has done is over here we have a scale that's relevant to the box office totals for those years. And then over here on the right, we have a different scale that is relevant to the average ticket price. This is helpful because now we can see the relationship between the average ticket price and the box office total over time. When you're trying to look at the relationship between two data sets with different scales, a combo chart is the best way to visually see that. Thanks for watching, and until next time, go spreadsheet something awesome.